everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for March 8th through March 14th. It's going to be a slower week, I think. Last week was a really good week. This week will be a little bit slower, so it's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and do it. Miss Charlotte says hi in the background. But they do have Walgreens health and wellness skincare products that are buy one, get one 50% off. It says you get $3 register reward, I think when you spend $20 or more. Now they have pop or soda, 3 for $9.99, makes them $3.33 a piece. They have the nice brand sandwich and storage bags. They're buy one at $2.79, you get 2 free. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I actually have to stock up on that because I need some bigger bags. The Tide is $4.99. There's going to be an online coupon for $2.99. We also have the deals of the week. They have Maxwell House for $4.99. The pistachios are $5.99 after a $1 off digital coupon. And then they have the Colgate deal. They're going to be $2.99. We just received some 50-cent off coupons. So you guys want to use two 50-cent off coupons for that. You would pay $4.98. You would get a $4 register reward, making them 98 cents or like 49 cents a piece. It's up to you guys if you want to do that. Now they have Dawn and Ajax laundry detergent for 99 cents. That happens all the time, so if you guys need to stock up with that. Now they do have some Shea Moisture hair care for $7.99, and then it looks like there's going to be an online coupon for $2 off for $5.99, and it looks like that might be a coupon that's in the Walgreens booklet because it says with card. I'm not 100% sure with that. They have the Russell Stouffer's eggs, 2 for $1. Now we do have some coupons in the 3-1 Smart Stores for buy 3 you get 1 free. So basically you guys can get 4 of them for $1.50. The Arizona, I see that all the time for 2 for $1. Arm & Hammer is buy 1 get 1 free. Usually those are $6.99, so they come out to be like $3 or $3.50 a piece. Fruity Pebbles, those are $1.99. That's usually the cheapest you can get it unless there's like Ibotta or coupons, which there rarely is. But yeah, not much else going on. This is the last page of the ad. They always do that. Food deals, nothing's really popping out at me. You know, olives are always 2 for $2 or $1 or 99 cents. It's always like that. If you guys need some spam, go for it. Here is some. Okay, so this is 2 for $5. They're saying this is 2 for $5. That's actually a pretty okay deal. I bet you it's the little squares, but that might be an okay deal. I'm not sure. I've never bought the little ones. I usually buy the big ones, and those are usually like $7, $8. Here we got the Easter stuff. Now it says starting are from $9.99, so a lot of those, you know, Squishimals are going to be going on sale soon. I love mine. I lay on mine all the time. They got some candy, Snickers 79 cents. They got the king size $1.69. Trident gum 99 cents. Now here they got Persil for $4.99, and then you got a $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. Here they got some plates. Now it's the nice plates or the complete home. They're kind of switching their companies, but it's the same company. Those are usually about $3.59 or $3.49, so if you guys need to go do that. Now they got the Renews-Its on sale for 89 cents. They have a digital coupon for buy 4 get 2 free. Basically comes out to be 59 cents a piece. So you guys would pay $3.56 for 6 of them, and then it comes out to be 59 cents a piece. We got Febreze, $2.99. Usually you can get 2 of those for $3 when they have the sales. Yeah. And then here we got Crest Toothpaste, $2.99. Now it looks like there's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Comes out to be $3.97. And then you guys will get $3 of a register reward when you buy 3. So it makes it 97 cents or just 32 cents a piece. Now that is just the toothbrushes and the toothpaste, if you guys need to do that. Lots of lotions and body washes are buy 1 get 1 50% off. They got Banana Boat, buy 1 get 1 50% off. It looks like there's going to be a 4 off of 2 coupon in this Sunday's paper. And then you guys will get a 5,000 points when you spend $25. Yeah. Now here they got Herbal Essence 2 for $10. There's going to be a 5 off a 2 coupon online. But it says right there, if you spend $15 or more, you'll get a $3 register reward. So there's only one digital coupon, so there's no point in getting that because nobody wants to spend $15 bucks for 4 bottles of shampoo. The average person would, but we don't. Dial body wash and bar soap is $3.99. There's going to be a $1 off digital coupon, making it $2.99. Degree and Dove, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys can get 3 of them. You get 3,000 points. Mitchum, $2.99 with a $1 off coupon in this Sunday's paper. And then they got Bic razors, buy one, get one 50% off. It says there's going to be a $3 online coupon, plus it looks like there's going to be a get a free Bic razor manufacturer rebate. So, not sure what's going on with that, but yeah. Then they have Olay and Secret, buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get 3,000 points when you buy 3. Well, the Secret coupon that we do have expires the 7th, so... But there is some deals with Ibotta for this if it doesn't go away by the time it happens, so there could be a win-win situation. Here we got the Walgreens vitamins and supplements. Those are going to be buy one, get one free. When you guys spend $20, you guys will get a $3 register reward. So if you need to get something like that. Robitussin and Advil, they are $5.99. We're going to get a $2 off coupon, making them $3.99. I usually say you guys want to check out Saving Star, but Saving Star has been really slacking lately. I don't know if they're hurting for a company. If they are and you guys have money, I would definitely, you know, try to redeem your money just because I've seen stuff like this happen. But yeah, they just haven't had any rebates lately, and they said they're working on it, but I have a feeling they might be going down. So, just giving you guys a heads up. I've seen one app like that happen, and I, you know, usually got my money right away. So, just to be on the safe side. Here we got some more vitamins. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. If you spend $20, you get a $3 register reward. Yeah, gift cards, nothing really popping. Now this... Sorry, you guys, this is the last page of the Walgreens ad, so nothing really popping up. Pictures are 40% off, so just wanted to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.